Are you ready to unlock life-changing wealth through investing? Growth stocks might be the key. With the right knowledge, you can navigate this exciting approach to the stock market. Growth stocks are companies that increase earnings faster than their industry counterparts. These businesses often offer innovative products or services and lead in their markets. But buying growth stocks isn't just about picking the latest trend. The year 2022 was harsh on growth stocks. While the S&P 500 fell over 19%, growth stocks suffered significantly more. Despite this, a comeback occurred in 2023 and momentum continued into 2024. Although early 2025 saw a pullback, opportunities still exist. To invest wisely in growth stocks, start with a handy guide. Understanding key concepts and strategies will help you position your portfolio for success. What to look for in growth stocks? Start with companies expected to outperform their peers in sales and profits. This can lead to impressive returns for investors. However, they often come with higher prices and volatility than value stocks. Growth stock prices fluctuate based on market expectations. If a company performs better than expected, its stock price will rise. High growth stocks can exhibit significant volatility, making it essential to know when to buy. To spot great growth stocks, identify market trends and the company's position to thrive within them. Analyze businesses with strong competitive advantages, as these will help them survive economic downturns. E-commerce, digital advertising, and cloud computing are booming. Companies like Amazon, Meta, and Microsoft stand to benefit from these long-term trends. Investing in these sectors can lead to substantial growth. Looking for an easy way to invest in a diverse array of growth stocks? Consider an ETF like the Vanguard Small Cap Growth Index Fund. With low fees and access to a variety of companies, it's a practical choice for newcomers. Narrow your focus to companies that lead their respective industries. Look for firms with large addressable markets, as this suggests significant growth potential. Next, prioritize businesses with competitive advantages. These companies can weather economic challenges better than their competitors. Factors like network effects and scale advantages can be crucial to a company's long-term success. It's essential to conduct thorough research. Explore industry reports and analyses to help you understand market dynamics. Knowledge is power when investing in growth stocks. Remember, early investment in strong growth trends can lead to substantial profits over time. The most robust trends last for years, providing ample opportunity to reap rewards. As you refine your investing strategies, be aware of the risks inherent in growth stocks. While they can yield impressive returns, they also pose greater volatility and risk compared to other types of stocks. If you're interested in capitalizing on potential gains, don't hesitate to act. Be on the lookout for promising companies and sectors poised for growth. In summary, investing in growth stocks can set you on a path to build real wealth. By understanding market trends, competitive advantages, and conducting thorough due diligence, you'll be better positioned to achieve your financial goals. Are you ready to take the next step in your investing journey? Join our newsletter for daily insights and stock recommendations to stay ahead in the game. Don't miss this opportunity to shape your financial future with growth stocks.